Hello, we have a main eco compact boiler with 118 pressure. You can see in here the pressure is low. We have the two valves in here, 1 and 2, to open it. But before we proceed to do that, what we'll do, we have in here the expansion vessel, which will check to see if we still have the air into the expansion vessel. Then we're gonna proceed with topping up the water. So we have our pump rig in with a long hose. What I'll do, I'll put this on top and we'll check the gauge. So that's the top. On. And let's see the pressure now into the expansion vessel. You see the pressure? Just need to be a bit high. What we'll do, I'll close the valves, this one and this one. We'll drain the water to see what's the actual pressure. So we close this valve, and in here we have a drain. So we've been opening the drain. The water is the bag. You can see our expansion vessel is at 0. So we need to have a 0.8 into this expansion vessel. So we need to pump. Around 0.8 to 1. So it's nearly 1. Okay, so we are fine now. What we'll do, you can see the water starts coming in. You can see the gauge. Nothing is happening in here, but we have the valves closed. We'll remove this and then we'll top up the boiler. We'll show you how to top up the boiler. So we open back the two valves. These two. We have the filling loop, one full, one slowly, and the pressure goes back into the boiler. Whatever is green will stop. So this is about right. Close both valves. Just check everything is fine. The power back on. And your boiler is up and running. We just need to put the case back on. As you can see, no more error, no more problems. So just bear in mind when you have this problem with Eco Compact, make sure your expansion vessel is filled with the right amount of air. So our case is back on. We'll do some testing. We'll do the service of the boiler, but this is going to be a different topping. I hope this is going to help. Keep safe.